This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Keep it up. Board Duck, €550 top win special compliments Board Duck. Bets are open for the new round. Final seconds. Okay. No more bets. Thank you, everybody. Have you been watching anything on Netflix lately? What is your favorite TV show? Good luck. Have any of you seen Alice in Borderland? 2x and coin flip golf slot. Do you know by any chance when it's supposed to be season 3 of Alice in Borderland? Because I'm gonna watch it. Ayo! Ayo! We got a crazy time again. Woohoo! Already second crazy time of the session. Let's go back to the Penguins. Come on now. Welcome! Crazy time bonus round. Happy to see you here. And please choose your flapper. Are you team green, team blue, or team yellow? Whatever lands in it, of course, will be your prize. We also have a triple and a double on the wheel this time. A few more seconds to choose. And wish you all best of luck. Highest multiplier now, 200x. Let's go! Woo!
This is the amount of money issued to 101,553 euros.
Winners, beautiful second crazy time of the session. Matt with more than €5,000 top win special compliments Matt and betting time. Green flapper got 200x, highest multiplier on the wheel. Special compliments green. No more bets, thank you. Good luck. I saw Beyonce in the chat. Green this time, please. Say my name, say my name.
Double H, top 3 winners of betting times open. And 786, moderator, do your properly. Do their properly what? Yeah, but like sometimes you don't have chat modes here, so 786, yeah, that's how it is. We should, but now let's go. We're looking at 3x on the 5 right here, ladies and gentlemen. But you know what? Forget that. We're going to the crazy time. One more time, ladies and gentlemen. Can we replicate the last one? We're about to find out, so follow me. Let's go. We're here one more time. Let's go. And look, put those multis on the wheel, please. We cannot live without them. They're the only reason we're here. And now, decision time. Green, blue, or yellow? Previously on Crazy Time, green was the straight-up juice one. What about this time? We're about to find out real soon. Now, the biggest multi that we have on the wheel actually is 100x. So let's go with that. Good luck. Oh, whoa, whoa, flashbacks. 15 for blue and yellow. Let's double the green one out again. Hey, what's up with the green? That's the money of cash. All right. No, Colorado cash, what I'm talking about. Okay, doubling the green one out. We have a 200x at the moment. Boom. Best of luck to you guys.
This is the amount of money issued, 205,319 euros.
200, we'll take that. $2,002 winners with the 200x on the green one. 6,804 winners in total. Congratulations, everybody. Bada, Jamie, and Water, you're the top 3 winners. Now let's go, guys. Hey, 200, not too shabby at all, guys. Let's go. Feel free to use autoplay and bet on all if you need those. But now, bang, that was nice. Let's go, guys. 2x on crazy time now. All right. Donnie, Keaton, Clown. You're the top 3 winners. Betting time is open. Autoplay bet on are always by your side as well. And all right, landing right next to 100. But on the other side of the 100, we had a 2x. And anything can happen, you know, but at least 35x. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. That was like the second highest multi that we had on the board. Could be, right? Almost Beyonce. Welcome to Crazy Time. Can you say happy birthday, Desmond? NO9? Yes. Happy birthday, Desmond. You're the best. And you know what else is the best? Crazy Time, ladies and gentlemen. Back-to-back bonus games. That's right. Pack your bags, guys. And follow me. That's right, guys. Get in. And get those multis on there too, by the way. Now, multis already here. We have the triple on the wheel as well. It's been a while since the last time I've seen it. So it'd be nice to land it, but we'll see. Green, blue, or yellow? Pick one of these. Only 3 options, ladies and gentlemen. And at the moment, the biggest multi we have is 200x, which is pretty nice. So let's go and get it. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 300,918 euros.
Whoa! 15 for yellow, 20 for green, 200 for the blue. There we go. 3,372 players picking up blue with a 200x on it. 8,198 winners in total. Congratulations, everybody. And betting time is open. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Bonus game gauntlet. Donzo. Finito. That's right. We got the bonus game gauntlet. Let's go. And now let's go get those top slots in the mix too. Rock sheet.
Welcome, betting translators of race let's go. Sag, Johnny, and Boston of tuners. 3 hours from Amsterdam. Well, that's kind of low confidence, but yeah, you're beautiful. Thank you, Mike. Thank you very much. Remember about a button on not selection, betting sounds or like welcome to Race to Grace time. But you have been to Amsterdam, right, Yannick? How do you like Amsterdam? Actually, do you live in the Netherlands like all your life, or you just moved there? First and Grace time. Hi, hello, Berber. Hi, hello, everyone. Crazy time! We got crazy time with a 4x multiplier. Let's go, come with me. Let's go to crazy time. Okay, fuck you, but it's a crazy time bounce round. And guess what? We got a 4x multiplier here. So multipliers right now are appearing in the wheel. And let's go and we'll play everything by 4. Come on, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen. Let's double everything for the yellow flopper. And ladies and gentlemen, the max multiplier is going to be here. 800. Here we go.
This is the amount of money issued 889,277 euros.
80 for blue one, 140x for yellow, green one, 400x for yellow one.
On the shake and one to sold. You're the top 3 winners. Betting time is open. Autoplay and bet on are always by your side as well if you need them. But if you don't need them, you don't really have to bother thinking about them too much. Because it's way better to know what you have at your disposal rather than not. I believe that. So now let's keep on going, guys. Let's see what it is. 2x on a 2. All right. Nothing really to highlight, but still. Instead of 2, we will get a 4. But do we have enough mustard for the crazy time? Yes, we do. So, ladies and gentlemen, pack your bags. Because all aboard next stop is going to be crazy time. So let's go and check it out what it is. There we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Finally. All right. Now, multi's already here. And decision time. Let's go. Decision time is yours, guys. Let's go. Green, blue, or yellow. It's all up to you which multi it lands on. That's going to be yours. And the biggest one we have at the moment is 100x. So best luck to you guys. Let's go get it. All right, 25 for blue, 35 for yellow. Well, let's double the green one up. That is for Thanasis Huntens Kumpo. We know that. So let's go double it out for Thanasis, guys. Now it was 200x. Now it's 200. Now it's 200x. Let's go, guys. Good luck. Let's double it up again because one is simply not enough. Let's go. Now, things are starting to get a little bit interesting here. Now, maybe another one. 400x the biggest multi. Let's go get it. Where is DJ Khaled when you need him? Because it's another one. Let's go. Another one on the board. 3 in a row. It's a hat trick. Trifecta. Whoa, 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 ladies and gentlemen. 800x the biggest multi. Let's go. Another one. 4 in a row. Ho-ho! Man, get in if you're not here, guys. That's what I'm talking about. We had 800 before, 1,600 on the board. Bang, let's go get it. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 690,798 euros.
The biggest win today is 500x on the coin flip, everybody. Gonna have it in the first session of mine, so let's go. Let's do this. Hello, Popeye. Who's the next host? I don't know, Shofi. I don't know. We still have quite some time until the next host shows up. Sorry. Now would you look at that? Another gorgeous, crazy time, correct? Well, let's go, let's go, let's go, shall we? I know you've been waiting for this. And we're going on a trip with our favorite rocket ship, going through the sky. Little Einsteins, come on, crazy time, fellas, let's go! Alright, it's time for you to choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Which one are you choosing? Which one's going to be the one for you? The magical one, the biggest one, up to you, up to you, up to you. Last seconds, and the maximum player for us is 100x. Let's go, and good luck. 35 for green, 25 for blue. Yellow gets a double. Max multiplier right now, 200x. Round 2. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 61,340 euros.
Sweet, sweet 200. Well, congratulations. Let's go back.
1,767, you have won in this round. Congratulations. You're fun if you speak. Okay. Okay, what's that supposed to mean? If I would be silent, I would be no fun, right? I feel like it. I feel like it. Terson, yet the top slot was not there. We missed the top slot there, so there was no top slot for us in that bonus. Ooh, after a long time, we're going to the cornplay. And here, we have a top slot. Welcome, everybody, to cornplay. Are you ready? Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's see what we're gonna have in here. Some red and blue, blue and red, everybody. Let's see which one is gonna be the best for you. Okay, 3 and red. 100 on blue. We have 50 and 500, everybody. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm really scared. That's 50% chance, which is destined. So, you ready? I'm not. Let's go. Good chat.
This is the amount of money issued to 134,733 euros.
That's what I'm talking about. That's the start of a morning. Woohoo! Let's go. 1,653 of you have won in this round. Finally we go there. Oh, it's been a while.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.